Imagine two traders starting on the exact same day. They have the same capital, the same strategy, and the same level of experience. Both are serious about becoming profitable, but there's one difference. One decides to trade USD currency pairs like EUR/USD, while the other focuses only on gold. Fast forward a few months, and their results look completely different. One is constantly confused by market movements, struggling with entries and exits. The other has started finding consistency, catching clearer moves, and building confidence. Now the question is simple. Was it skill, or was it the market they chose? Because in trading, what you trade matters just as much as how you trade. And choosing between USD trading and gold could be the difference between frustration and progress. Understanding the core difference before deciding which one is more profitable, you need to understand what you're actually trading. When you trade USD, you are trading currency pairs, not just a single asset. This means every trade is based on the relationship between two economies. For example, when trading EUR/USD, you are analyzing both the Eurozone and the United States at the same time. This adds an extra layer of complexity because multiple factors influence price movement. Gold, on the other hand, is a single asset. It is often considered a safe haven and reacts mainly to factors like inflation, interest rates, and global uncertainty. Because of this, gold behaves differently. Instead of balancing two economies, it reflects broader financial sentiment. This makes it easier to understand for many traders, especially in the beginning. Market behavior: clean moves vs choppy action. One of the biggest differences between USD trading and gold is how the markets move. USD pairs are known for being highly liquid, but they often move in choppy and unpredictable ways. Prices can go up and down without clear direction, especially when there is no major news driving the market. This can make it difficult to identify strong trends and can lead to frustration. Gold tends to behave differently. When it starts moving in a direction, it often continues with momentum. Trends in gold are usually cleaner and easier to follow. This doesn't mean it's always predictable, but compared to USD pairs, it often provides clearer opportunities. For traders, clarity is important because it reduces confusion and makes decision-making easier. Volatility, the real source of profit. Volatility is where profits are made in trading, and this is where gold has a clear advantage. USD pairs usually have lower volatility, which means price movements are smaller and slower. This can feel safer, but it also means that profits take longer to build. Gold is much more volatile. It can move significantly within a short period of time. A single move in gold can equal multiple trades in USD pairs. This creates bigger opportunities for profit, but it also increases risk. If you manage your trades properly, gold can help grow your account faster. But if you don't control your risk, losses can happen just as quickly. Complexity. Which one is easier to understand? USD trading is more complex because it involves analyzing multiple factors from two different economies. Interest rates, inflation data, employment reports, and central bank decisions all play a role. Sometimes the market reacts in ways that are not immediately clear, which can confuse traders. Gold is simpler in comparison. While it is still influenced by economic factors, its movement is often tied to broader themes like risk sentiment and inflation. This simplicity makes it easier to follow and understand. For many traders, especially beginners, this clarity is a major advantage because it allows them to focus more on strategy rather than trying to understand every small detail. Trading time and structure. USD pairs are traded almost 24 hours a day, which gives traders flexibility. However, this can also become a problem. When the market is always open, traders are more likely to overtrade and take unnecessary risks. They feel like they always need to be in a trade, even when conditions are not ideal. Gold, on the other hand, has more active trading periods, especially during the US session. This creates a sense of structure. Traders know when the best opportunities are likely to appear, and they can focus their energy during those times. This structure can improve discipline and reduce unnecessary trades. Profit potential. Which one pays more? When it comes to profit potential, gold generally offers faster results. Its volatility allows traders to capture larger moves in a shorter amount of time. This means fewer trades can lead to significant profits. USD trading can still be profitable, but it often requires more patience. Moves are slower, and traders may need multiple trades to achieve the same results they could get from a single gold move. This doesn't make USD trading bad, but it does mean that the pace of growth is usually slower. Risk management, the real key to profitability. No matter which market you choose, risk management is the most important factor. USD trading might feel safer because of smaller price movements, but overtrading and poor discipline can still lead to losses. Gold can be highly profitable, but its volatility means that mistakes can be costly. Without proper risk control, a few bad trades can quickly damage your account. This shows that profitability is not just about the market itself. It is about how you manage your trades within that market. A disciplined trader can succeed in both USD and gold trading, while an undisciplined trader will struggle in both. Psychology. Which one is easier to handle? Trading is not just technical. It is also psychological. USD pairs can be frustrating because of their slow and inconsistent movement. Traders often second-guess their decisions, which leads to emotional stress. Gold is faster and more aggressive, but it is often clearer. When it moves with purpose. This clarity can reduce overthinking and make it easier to stick to a plan. For many traders, this makes gold less stressful despite its volatility. Which one is better for beginners? For beginners, simplicity and clarity are extremely important. When you are new to trading, you are already learning a lot of new concepts. Adding complexity can slow down your progress. Gold provides clearer price action, which makes it easier to understand how the market works. Trends are easier to identify, and movements are more visible. This helps beginners build confidence and improve faster. USD trading, while valuable, often requires more experience to fully understand. This is why many new traders find gold to be a better starting point. Final verdict: which is more profitable? So which is more profitable, USD trading or gold? The answer depends on how you trade and what suits your personality. USD trading offers stability and slower movement, which can be beneficial for traders who prefer a calmer market. Gold offers higher volatility and faster opportunities, which can lead to greater profits in a shorter time. However, it also requires strong discipline and risk management. For many traders today, gold provides more opportunities and clearer movements, making it more attractive. But the best market for you is the one you can trade consistently and confidently. And if this helped you understand the difference clearly, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Because the goal isn't just to trade, it's to become consistently profitable.